Hey everyone, welcome to Coding with Vishwa. If you are looking to master C program from scratch, you are in the right place. In this video marks the beginning of the C programming series. In this series, we will cover everything from basic to advanced concept step by step. If you are new to programming, C is the best language to start with. It shaped the foundation of many modern programming languages like C++, Java and Python. In today's video, we will explore the history of C, its feature, why it is still relevant in 2025, and the basic structure of C programming. Make sure to watch till end, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin the video. History of C programming. It is a general purpose programming language that is widely used for developing system software. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. Role of C programming. C is the backbone of many operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Even modern languages like C++, Java, and Python are influenced by C. Features of C programming. Simple and structured. C is easy to learn because it follows structured programming approach, which means code is divided into functions, making it easier to read, debug and modify. Let us understand this with one example. Now let us see the program which prints hello world using functions. The first statement is to include all IO operations. Next we have written a user defined function. About user defined function we will discuss in the upcoming videos. Now let us understand in short that the functions will have one return value, a function name, parameter and executable code. In our function there is no return value, so we have used void, and the name of the function is printer with no parameters, and the executable code is printf hello world. Printf is used to print anything on the output screen. Next we have the main function in which we will call the printer function to print the hello world. Next we have return 0 statement which indicates the end of the program. To execute this program, right click and click on the run code. We will get a hello world as an output. If you want a video on how to set up a VS Code, let us know in the comment section below so that we can make a video on it. Now let us see the next feature of C, which is portable. If you have written a C program on one computer, suppose in Windows, it can be compiled and executed on other like Linux or Mac by making little modification. This is possible because C code is compiled into machine code which can be run on different platforms. Many embedded systems and operating systems use C because of this feature. The next property of C is fast and efficient. C is faster than Java and Python because it is compiled directly into machine code, whereas Java uses JVM and Python uses interpreter. C does not have runtime overhead, making it ideal for higher performance applications like gaming, OS development and etc. Let us see the next feature, that is low level and high level capability. C is a middle level language, meaning it supports both low level programming and high level programming. You can manipulate memory directly using pointers, and you can also write a complex applications like compilers and database using C. And now let us see the next feature, which is memory management. C allows manual memory allocation and deallocation using built-in functions like malloc, calloc, realloc and free. We shall discuss about these 4 keywords in the upcoming videos. The next feature of C program is rich library support. C has a vast standard library that provides built-in functions like printf, scanf and so on. Now we shall see why to learn C in 2025. In 2025, learning C is still valuable because foundation of other language. If you learn C, picking up C++, Java and Python becomes easier. Used in core technologies. C is used in system programming, embedded system, game development and robotics. High performance. Since C is closer to machine code, it runs more faster than interpreted language like Python. Now let us see basic structure of C programming. Here is one simple program which prints a hello world, where first line is to include all IO operations, and next we have printf statement which prints hello world on our output screen, and return 0 statement which indicates that it's the end of the program. That's it for today's video. In the next video we will set up a C compiler and write our first C program. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more C programming tutorial. Comment below if you have any doubts. For notes, join our Telegram channel. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching.